Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be opening up this box of washi tape. Are you peeking? I peeked too, but I didn't unwrap anything and didn't look at it yet. I wanted to do it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what the Washi Tape Shop sent me in this box of washi, keep watching. It's always very exciting to get a box of washi tape at my doorstep. And I did send them a list of a couple things I wanted, but I know they threw in some other stuff too. And one thing I want to say, you guys, I'm going to have to get more washi storage. Remember how I said I was going to de-stash if my washi tape bins got full? Well, I'm going to have to buy more because now they're in boxes next to the bins. And yeah, I have a problem. I have a little problem, but I am going to do a de-stash. I might do another giveaway, but for now, let's open this box and see all the goodness that is inside here. It is jam-packed full of stuff. Let's move it aside and check it out. So, the last time I did one of these videos, I asked you guys your preference. If you wanted me to look up what things were first, or if you wanted me to open it up blindly and then put the links in the description box. So that's what I'm doing because you guys seem to think that you wanted me to do it that way. So most of you wanted that anyway. So that's what I'm doing. So I did not ask for these. I don't know. I don't think I asked for these ones. Let's see what they are. Look at this. This is all about coffee. Ooh. I'm just gonna lay these out for you so you can see each one. So that is a coffee one. This one looks like dessert or something. Let's see. I'll hold them up so you can see them better in a minute. It looks like breakfast. It's breakfast washi tape. Are you kidding me? Super cute. Look at this. And then we have one more of this kind, and this one looks like, I don't know. Let's see what this one is. Look at this one. This is interesting. There's like little photographs of stuff. There's like, I'm not going to open up the whole thing, but you can see there's like pancakes there. There's a bowl of fruit. I'm just going to bring this up so you can see it better. So I'm going to turn it this way. Aren't they all so cute? Really, really cute illustrations and photos. Really like these a lot. Okay, so let's put this aside. I'm going to roll them up in a minute and see what else is here. Oh, this is going to be one of those really thick washi tapes. You know, I really like those now. Look at this. What? I just had a marathon planning session, if you didn't realize. Look at this though. It's like the really wide washi tape, which I really like. It's for something different. It's almost like wallpaper, you know what I mean? National Coffee Day is coming up. I believe it's like, I don't know, is it like September 1st or somewhere around there? I'm going to do a coffee spread, and I think I'm going to use this. Let's see what this looks like. So this says, coffee in the morning makes me happy. The secret of coffee, enjoy coffee time. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Like there's photographs, there's photo of like an espresso maker and all that kind of stuff. So fun, isn't it? You could even like cut these pictures out and use them as separate stickers, or you can use this as all one sheet. Now let's try to roll this up so I can save these. But it looks like you get a lot, so I might be okay even if I have to not save it. Oh, we have one more of these guys. What is this? This looks like cameras and books. Let me get that paper back here. Ooh. So we have like camera, book, sunglasses, like a little calendar, a little phone. We have some coffee. It's kind of like that neutral. It's like black and white with like a little neutral pops of color. Really, really cute. Okay, look at this one. This is one I requested, you guys. They have Halloween washi tape. I went on their site and I saw it and I emailed them and I was like, can I please have this Halloween washi tape? Because this is so cute. Wait till you see these. Look at these. I love Halloween stuff, like cute Halloween stuff, and this is so cute. Look at that. We have little cats and pumpkins and candy corn and spiders. So cute. And it's like peachy pink. Like, I love the colors. And then this one too, it's like skulls and bats and candy. So, so fun. Right? And then this is like more peachy kind of pinks with ghosts and witch hat. Super cute. And then this one has like little line drawings of like a skull, a ghost. And we have two skinnier ones. And this one, like, I like the colors. One of them has pumpkins and one has witch hats, I think. And they're like just real subtle patterns. So that is that pack. And I think those all come together in a pack. And we'll link it for you. And now let's get the, I think there was another one too I ordered. Let me see if I got it. Yes. So they had two different ones to choose from. And they were both super cute. So let's see. All right, so this is the same as that other one. And this is the same as the other one. I didn't realize that when I ordered them, but that's okay. I can put them in a giveaway. And this one is the same too. But then we have, and this, wait, is this one the same? Yeah. But then we have two new ones here. So we've got this one. Look how cute. And then this one. That's so fun, isn't it? Just super Halloween-y and fun. I love those. All right, let's see what else is in here. I forget what else I ordered. And I know they sent me some other stuff too that I didn't ask for, so let's see. Ooh, look at these colors. Ooh, so pretty. Ah. They're rolling everywhere. Look at these colors. Ooh, that's really pretty. And this one. And that one. I'm not going to unroll all of them, but I think you get the gist, right? That one's cool. It has little curly cues. Ooh, this one's my favorite. You know what? I'm going to, if I find one that like is my favorite, I'm going to put it on on paper to show you because I want to see what this one looks like. I mean, I kind of know what it's going to look like, but sometimes it surprises you when you put it on paper. It's different than what you think it's going to be. Nope, it's what I thought it was going to be. But look, how pretty is that? So cute. And I just like, I'm really into light blue and it's very delicate, which I'm into as well. So love that. And then this one is really, it's got like, I think it's like grapes. Super fun. Okay. So I love the colors in that one. It's always like Christmas when I get these packages. So much fun. By the way, I always forget to say it, but thank you to the Washi Tape Shop for sending me this box of goodies. I appreciate you. Oh, look at these colors. Like I said, I love light blue. Oh, these are really pretty. Ooh, this one especially. Look at this. We've got like these white flowers with this gold, is it gold? Gold accents, I guess, gold foil. And then we have this one. Oh, it's got a bird. So decorative and pretty. This one's like really cool and neutral. Look, there's a peace sign on it. I guess I'm supposed to turn it that way. Look. It's got like a peace sign and these like gold foil leaves. That's really pretty. And then we have some origami cranes and stuff. And swans, I guess. And then this is like a dusty blue with like this pattern and then these gold birds. Those are really, really neat. Okay, let me put these aside. There's more, you guys. I have a lot more, actually. What is this? So this next one's really interesting because it's clear. It's a transparent, completely clear washi with pictures on it. I've never seen that before. So let's put it on paper just because it's so interesting. So let me peel this. Do you see? Oh, it's got some of the paper on the back still, so ignore that part. But how cute is this? Look at those little characters. They're super fun. And it makes it look like they're stickers on your page, except it's like one long strip. That's really interesting and fun. I got stickers. I did order these because they're pets and stuff. They're pets and food, my two favorite things. Ooh, it's a little envelope of stickers. Aw, cat. Look at these cat characters. So cute. Aw. I'm going to do a cat spread, you guys. I'm definitely going to do a cat spread with these. Oh, this one's my favorite. Look how sweet. That's so, so cute. And we have some flowers here. But you know I love floral stickers, so. Oh, I'm like dumping things all over the place. There's that one. Ooh, look at this. This is cool. It's kind of trendy, right? I love those colors. And then we have more flowers. Very pretty, realistic florals. Like watercolor. Really pretty wildflowers. Okay. And now we have food. Bumble came in as soon as I said the word food. Coffee and desserts. My two favorite things. And more desserts. And cappuccinos. These illustrations are really pretty. And the last one looks like this. Super cute. Okay, I'm going to put these aside. And there's two more things, maybe three more things in the box. All right, so we have another fountain pen, a Lorelei fountain pen, and it's the same. It looks the same as the one I got in the last box, but they did tell me that they revamped it to make it better. So this is what it looks like. And we have two more bunches of tape here. Let's see what they are. Oh, more Galaxy washi tape. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at this. So I have like that other set that's like pastel ones, which are so pretty. I've been using them lately. But here's some more. So these are thicker and like they have like silver foiling. Do you see this one has silver foil anyway? Look at that. And then, ooh. I love the color here. Oh, there's like little planets on there and stuff. And then the purple one with some constellations. They go really well with that Reach for the Stars sticker book, that like boho Happy Planner sticker book. Here's a black one with it almost looks like copper foil stars. And then this one, look at that. It's so pretty. And then we have, ooh, this is like a night sky that's like dark blues with these stars on it. Super cute. Super cute. I'm going to have, like, every time I open up all these, I'm like, ooh, I need to make this spread. I only have like so many spreads I can make, but I'm going to definitely try to use those because I think they're so cool. And maybe I can pair them with the other, like, I think it's called the Meteor set. I don't know what this one's called, but I could pair them with the other set that I got. Okay, so this is the last thing in the box, and I don't know what it is. Let's see. I feel like they should offer like a surprise pack. You know what I mean? Like a mystery box. Ooh, look at this. For people who want a surprise like I get. You know, that would be, I bet you they would sell pretty well. Okay, so these are super trendy, like blush colors. Look at this. The florals on there are really pretty, and they've got like this gold foil like lines and stuff. Same deal with this. This is very, I want to open this, but at the same time, like, I want to keep it shut for myself. Look at this one. That is so cool. You can even cut this down the middle if you want like 2 different sizes, right? And then we have this. These are very minimal and just so delicate and pretty. I'm definitely going to be using these for sure. And that one. Okay, so there we have it. My washi tape haul. Wait, I forgot the stickers. And the pen too, don't forget that. But really good haul. Thank you again, the Washi Tape Shop, for sending me this stuff. I'm going to try to find the links to all this stuff for you guys in the description box. Do not forget, use code BUMBLE10. It will get you 10% off at the Washi Tape Shop every time. So don't forget to use my code. I appreciate you guys as always, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.